Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you a makeup tutorial on glam look with bold red lips. So without wasting much time, let's get into the video. Before starting my makeup, I am using Good Vibes Rose Face Toner. I have taken a cotton ball and dabbing it all over my face. The next I am using is Good Vibes Rose Glow Face Radiant Serum. I am putting it like this and using my fingertips, spreading it all over my face and massaging it for 2-3 minutes. The moisturizer here I am using is Biotic Advanced Ayurveda. It is 100% pure and Ayurvedic. So if you want to give it a try, I will give all the product links in the description box. You can go and check this. Then next, the primer here I use is Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer. I am putting it at the T-zone area where I have large pores and sweat a lot, and spreading it all over my face. The next product I will be using is Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in the shade 125 Nude Beige. I am taking 2 pumps on the back of my hand, and with the help of my finger I am putting dots all over my face. With the help of damp sponge, I will be blending it out. Now moving on to the concealer, here I am using is Lakme 925 liquid concealer in the shade 03. I will use the concealer under my eyes, onto the nose bridge, onto the chin, on the forehead, and also use it to enhance my cheekbone. Using the same damp sponge that I use for blending the foundation, I will blend the concealer also. See, when we blend the concealer and foundation, there is a difference. जब हम फाउंडेशन ब्लेंड करते हैं तो उसको पूरे फेस पे ब्लेंड करना होता है, बट when you apply concealer you don't have to blend it all over your face. You have to blend at a particular area where you have applied the concealer. Next I am using is Mars contouring palette. I am using it for contouring my cheekbones and my forehead. Then using the same sponge I am blending it. After that I am using Swiss Beauty Shape My Brows eyebrow palette. It has 3 colors in it with a wax cream. Using black and brown, I am going to fill my brows. During filling your eyebrows, start from the mid, take it to the end, and with the leftover product, fill your front brows. Before applying your eyeshadow, you should get ready your eye base. So here I am using the concealer from the contouring palette and blending it with the sponge. After that I am using face powder. Instead of using loose powder, I prefer using face powder. I am using the areas where I have put the concealer so that those areas doesn't creases. So I am putting it under my eyes, on the chin, onto the eyelids and on the forehead. The palette here I am using is of Morphe Jaclyn Hill. I am using 3 shades. Starting with the first shade and using the small fluffy brush, start from the outer edge towards the inner edge and blend it in circular motion. Do like this for all the shades. Using the same concealer I have used under my eyes, liquid concealer, I am doing the cut crease using small thin brush. After that, using Maybelline New York highlighter, I am applying over the concealer that I have applied on my eyelids. I am using Lakme 925 liquid matte eyeliner. Applied my fake eyelashes and mascara. Using the same eyeshadow palette, I am using the brown shade for bronzing my cheekbones and my jawline using a big fluffy brush. For highlighting, I am using this shade, highlighting my cheekbones, my nose bridge. My eyebrow bone and inner corner of the eye. Use the same brown shade for your under eyes. For blush, I am using this shade from the same eyeshadow palette. The lip color here I am using is from Huda Beauty Matte Ink in the shade Red. It's a matte liquid lip color. At last, for long lasting my makeup, I am using ADS makeup fixer.
This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose, but when you talk to me, give me the impression that I won't scratch your surface. And I could walk for days searching for your praise, but is it even there to find? Is there a chance for me to learn your memories? Will I slowly lose my mind? 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 Will I slowly lose my mind?
I hope you all loved my video, and if you liked it, do comment down below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. See you super soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Thanks for watching.